Hey, my name's Alyssa and I'm coming to you today with a deeper dive into one of my favorite crossbodies of the season, the Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited. This one is shown in our distressed denim and I love the tone-on-tone embroidery. We call that monochromatic. I've put the A on there just to make it mine. This comes unembroidered. It's a great crossbody. It's great for hands-free, spring, summer, keeping up with your family or wherever that next adventure is. But there's so many great pockets that make this tote amazing. So first is there's a large pocket in the front, which is just open. And then you open it up, and what I appreciate about it is that there is a zipper closure on the top. You dig in a little bit further, and there is a zipper pocket right inside that is going to hold all of your little essentials, your lip gloss, you name it. And then there are two additional, I'm gonna call them card pockets right there. And then a large open space for your wallet and anything else you might need. Then on the back, we have our signature cell phone pocket, which is really, really deep. If you have an iPhone Plus, it's going to fit in there and you're never gonna lose your cell phone again. This partners really, really well with our Terrazzo Pebble Benjamins right there. I love this print because it comes in our enrollment kit. But I have elected to go with the Navy Benjamins wallet, and then I've added personalization, so I have this great little style for the season. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it one step further, and I'm going to remove the strap that it came with. I like this, but again, I just really wanna make this one my own, and I'm adding in our wide strap. So this one is kind of like an orange and a tan, you can see it there. And I like these wide straps because they come in this color, which is the distressed chestnut, but it also comes in a black that has a brown woven in it. And you can personalize it if you wanted to take it one step further. I like this wide trend. It almost looks like a guitar strap or a camera strap, and it makes it a little bit more of a casual look. So here's the best news about this look right here is, first of all, it's completely personalized to me. But this purse retails with the regular strap for $58, which means that with the customer special, I can get this for $12.50 or my Benjamin's wallet for either $24 or $29. What a great way to take advantage of these monthly specials and set yourself up with a seasonal purse that is completely customized to you. Thanks for joining me, and that is a closer look at the Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited from 31 Gifts.